Morning guys, welcome back to another edition. I am in one of my favourite places. It's very early in the morning. I was up at 3 o'clock this morning and I travelled down. It's about 4:30. The sun is just about to come out and I've just watched the moon. I was a bit too late, just watched the moon go down over the cliffs over there. I'm not going to let on too much and I'm not going to do too much talking because this place is amazing and speaks for itself. So I'm going to spin you round. You got me there. It's pretty damn stunning. It is no hat, Darren. It is. Yeah, it really is quite a special place down here. I can remember coming down here once and it's before I had my pneumonia and I always blame this place and I mean it can't be this place, you know, but it's gorgeous down here. I just love it. I absolutely love this place. And that waterfall, It's absolutely beautiful, guys. I'll spin you round again. Yeah, so this place, guys, is St Audries Bay in Somerset. It's on the end of the Quantocks. It's near a place called West Quantocks Head. There's not a lot more I can say. I mean, like I said, I've had to come down here early because of the tide times. The tide is actually rushing in now, and you won't be able to get round to this waterfall. There's some really steep path coming down and some steps. Pay £4 to park in the car park. I'm down here on my own. There's obviously nobody about this time in the morning. Nobody's mad enough. But just look. I absolutely love it down here. It is beautiful. Really is beautiful. So there you go then, guys. What a morning. Not even 5 o'clock yet. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. This has been St Audries Bay Waterfall on the River Severn. The tide's coming back in now. This will be cut off in an hour or so. Anyway, all the best, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers.